Hello again, fourth graders, and welcome to session 12 of our Writer's Workshop. Today this is going to be very brief and very quick so that you can use lots and lots of time for you to create your story. We have brought you to the point where you are ready to write your story out on paper pencil. You are writing on loose leaf paper and creating your story. I would skip lines. My suggestion to skip lines, write on every other line as you write, because we will have another lesson. Tomorrow's lesson is on working on introductions and conclusions and just making sure that we fine-tune that, as well as revising in session 14. So we do have some sessions coming up that will help us if we need to fine-tune anything, but we've worked really hard to get to this point. So today's session is again writing, and if we need an extra day or two to do that, spend the time on session 12 in order for you to write your story. So we'll let you get busy. Good luck, writers, and I know you'll do a great job. Put your best time and effort into our writing of the story on paper now. Get started.